Experiencing problems with your Total Wireless mobile hotspot? The most common causes are plan restrictions, incorrect APN settings, and exceeding device limits. Let's troubleshoot step by step. First, check your Total Wireless plan via the app or website to ensure you haven't used up your hotspot data. Plans include high-speed data tiers, and exceeding limits triggers throttling. If depleted, consider a hotspot boost for additional 10 gigabytes. Next, verify your APN settings. APN is the gateway for mobile data. For Total Wireless on Verizon's network, the APN should be VZ Winternet, and the APN type must include DUN for tethering. Incorrect settings block data routing and cause no internet errors. Also, check device limits. Total Wireless allows up to 10 devices connected simultaneously. Exceeding this can cause disconnections or slow speeds. Monitor and disconnect unused devices via the Hotspot app. Start with basic troubleshooting. Restart your hotspot device and check signal strength before diving into more complex fixes. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, manually configure your APN settings. For Total Wireless, the APN should be VZ Winternet with APN type as default done. Ensure IPv6 is enabled for full 5G support. iOS users may need to reset network settings. If issues persist, a factory reset of the hotspot device might be necessary. For plan-related issues, consider upgrading to an unlimited flex plan or adding hotspot data. Remember that older devices may struggle with multiple connections, so limit the number of devices connected simultaneously. Contact Total Wireless support at 1-888-442-5102 if problems continue.